Hello, and welcome to this video where we will cover email, messaging, and discussion post etiquette. You will all find a point during your courses where you will have a reason or you will want to write to your teacher. Remember, contacting them through Schoology messaging is always a great way to get in contact. And to do that, you go up here to this envelope at the top of your screen and you click on the envelope. Once you click on the envelope, you will see the new message icon will be there, and that's what you will click on to start your new message. You will then find that this new message box will appear for you. In the to line, you can start to type in the name of your teacher. Let's imagine that I would like to write to my teacher, Mrs. Sherman. Once I start typing in her last name, her name will appear and I can click on it. I will then think about what I want my subject line to be. I want my subject line to be something specific to the question or the email that I'm about to write to her. So I'll think about it and I'll remember, right, I was going to write to her about the fact that I wasn't able to find my online textbook. Okay, once I've typed that in, I will then write to Mrs. Sherman, and I will start my message off not by saying, hey you, or how's it going? I will say either hello, or I might say, dear Mrs. Sherman. And then I always like to add in a nice salutation like, how are you? Something like that. You feel free to do that too. And then I will get right to the point. I can't find my online textbook. Wow, with the advent of video, I have very quickly finished off my writing of this email. So I have said, I can't find my online textbook. I have clicked on both the 4 squares at the top of the page and the McGraw-Hill K-12 on the left side of the page, but the chemistry book isn't there. Can you help me? Now, she won't know necessarily who this is from, so I'm going to sign off with regards, and then I'm going to include my name, right? So I'm going to include my name, and I'm going to say which class I'm in. Or whichever class I might be in, so that she can easily locate me in her roster. And then I will click the send button. So that's how to send a message. Remember though, if you are adding to a discussion post or you're sending your teacher an actual email message, those same rules of etiquette need to be followed. You always want to show respect for other people's opinions, and you always want to provide detailed information. Have a great day.